What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's take some time to talk about XRP in this video because we hit or not really hit the significant milestone, but we're approaching a significant milestone when we talk about holders. We talk about people that are investing. We talk about adoption. We talk about belief. It all stems from the people that are investing into the position. And if you have a certain amount of people that are investing into those positions, you know that it's going to be insanely popular. So I want to talk about a significant milestone that XRP is about to hit that honestly, it would just be amazing. Sorry. It would just be amazing to be able to see that, as well as to be able to see the adoption, because you have so many people that are now interested in that are showing their interest within it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Also, if you guys want to check out my Patreon, my Twitter, those links are in the description. And don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to start trading XRP or trading XRP on leverage, you can trade with Margex by easily trading on that platform up to 50x leverage on XRP, 100x leverage on BTC, and 50x leverage or 25x leverage on Pepe and 25x leverage on Shiba. And there's just so many different options that are over here that you can trade on leverage. So honestly, if you're interested in that, feel free to click that link at the top of the description. But we've been talking about XRP for quite some time. Right, I've talked about XRP and how this can get to a level of $1,000 or $10,000, or what it could be used for, or what the max price that I'm really looking for, and my exit strategy, and all of these other things. But when we understand the strength behind XRP, it's basically behind its holders as well as the utility. We understand what the utility can and will be, but when we look at the amount of people that believe that message, that's really where you catch all the strength. There's so many projects out there that have great use cases, fantastic use cases, I might add, right? But when you look at the amount of holders and the amount of believers within that project, it's not there. And you need the popularity in order to build a use case up to what it could be. So if you have something that has that popularity, you know that the use case is going to be a thing. So for something like, say, SHIB, which doesn't really have a use case, but definitely has a lot of popularity behind it, people are on it and ready for them to build any type of use case associated with it. For something like XRP, it's hitting him or going to hit a milestone of 5 million holders. 5 million. And it's not going to stop there. It's going to start to branch out even more. And we're talking about, we're still at the beginning stages of crypto. We're still at the early stages of crypto. And you're telling me that we have 5 million holders, or almost 5 million holders within XRP? That's phenomenal. So let's go through XRP, and then we'll go through that news that we do have there. So currently XRP is not really seeing the best day. Today, the overall market is slightly up, just about 1%. You see that 0.63%. But you're seeing that XRP is right around that range anyways. That's funny because you look at 0.63%, you're going to see 0.62 or almost 0.63 or 63 cents, right? 62 cents. It is down about 0.6%. So you're just seeing 666 all over the place. It's not really the best sign in the world, but you are seeing that it's slightly down. The volume is down significantly, down 23%, looking at 606 million versus the billions that we typically see in XRP. So that's not really the best news possible. But again, you might not have a lot of people investing at the end of the year because people are looking to realize some of the losses in order to offset some of the profits. So that's typically what you do see. And especially if you've seen XRP go from a level of 30 cents up to a level of 60 cents, you want to, some people are realizing that profit. Some people aren't realizing that profit yet. And others may, before it starts to fly, they want to realize that loss so that they don't have to really worry about that right now, right? Especially if they have any type of gains to offset. So anyways, we're looking at a $33.6 billion market cap. And again, the movement is kind of flat, right? 0.6%. You could see the fluctuation, and it would be good for a day trader, honestly, getting all the way down here at 61 or 62, low 62 cents, up to the level of high 62, almost at 63 cents, and then decreasing back down to where it is right now, 62. more higher 61 cents level. If we look at the news that we had for today, this is what I wanted to bring to the table. XRP holders about to hit a historic milestone of 5 million as 2023 ends. So if we scroll down here, this impressive achievement reflects increasing popularity and use of XRP, which is very, very, very true. As of 2023 draws to an end, XRP, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is on the verge of reaching a remarkable milestone of 5 million holders, according to data from XRPL services. There are currently 4.9 or 4,979,903 accounts that hold XRP, and the number is growing steadily. A whopping 59.2 billion XRP is held in these accounts, while 1,402 addresses maintain zero XRP balances. This impressive achievement reflects the increasing popularity and use of XRP, one of the largest and oldest digital assets in the crypto market. In over a decade, XRP has maintained its position in the top 10 by market capitalization with a current value of over $33.6 billion. At the time of writing, XRP is down 1.6%. It's currently down 0.6%. The last 24 hours to 62 cents, which it currently is around that level anyways. Ripple 2024 predictions, but I really don't want to go into exactly what the predictions are. I really just wanted to talk about that because I feel like that is a large achievement there to reach these milestones. I wanted to make sure there was nothing else that was associated with it. But that's amazing to be able to see 5 million or potentially 5 million holders within XRP. And again, it really shows, exactly the use and the popularity behind this cryptocurrency. Like, I continue to buy more XRP and continue to increase my cost basis. At this point, I would be decreasing my cost basis. So if I had any type of information or any type of extra money that's going to come to the table or come across my desk, of course, I would find a way to throw that directly into XRP because I want to hold more and more of that position. There's one position that everybody always finds a way to gravitate towards, or one person decides to gravitate towards, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP, Solana, AVAX, something that's going to have a major use case and be a major mover in the new year, in this new age, right? This new era of the digital asset era, right? So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this milestone. Is it big, right? Does it mean a lot, or does it mean nothing to you and all you care about is the gains? Because I want to know and weed those people out. Because, I mean, if you only care about the gains and you don't care about anything else, it's not saying you're a bad person at all. You care about your investment, but there's a lot more to the crypto market than just a short-term gain than what you can get with XRP. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. Make sure you check out my MargX link if you guys want to start trading XRP. If you are one of those short-term traders, maybe you short-term trade XRP and you trade with leverage, trade with 50x leverage, and see what you can come out of it, right? Or what you can make out of it. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.